A balanced cash drawer starts with a good shift routine. In this video, you will open, run, and close a shift. When you start work, open a new shift first. Enter your opening cash, the money already in the drawer. This is your starting point for the day. Remember, a sale can only be made while a shift is active. So always open your shift before you start selling. During the shift, money moves in and out of the drawer. Record a cash in when you add money to the drawer. Record a cash out when you take money out. This keeps your drawer accurate all day long. At the end of your shift, choose to close it. GOF POS shows the expected cash it has calculated. Now count the actual cash in your drawer. Enter that counted amount to compare the two. The system then shows you any difference between them. A difference helps you spot a mistake or a shortage. Once closed, the shift is saved to your records. You can review your past shifts anytime you need. This gives you a clear history of every day. In the next video, we will print and manage receipts.